guys, so this is part 2 of slime shopping. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I got a few things. I got these containers. They're pretty big, so like big batches, like medium size. I got these. These are 3 ounce, so they're pretty small, but I can make slime fit in here. Maybe like they're too big. I put them like 2. Yeah. I got some shaving cream, of course. I got a pack of glitter. I needed some glitter. These foam beads, they're a little bit big, but I can just like cut them up and stuff, like make some crunchy slime. So I'll probably do that, I don't know, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. And then I got some scented oil, you know, to make the slime smell good. And this is mango flavor scented, because I've tried that one and it smells pretty good. And then I got some food coloring because I don't have a little bit, so I needed some. I got some food coloring and it has red, blue, green, and yellow. And then I got this bowl here to like mix my slime in. I have a lot of mixing tools, so I don't need that. So yeah, that's everything I got. My brother got a toy.
Hi.
My mom got some bread.
And I paid too.
Yeah, my mom paid.
Oh.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
How much did everything cost?
100.
No, Mommy.
Almost.
No, it's 99 cents.
99 cents. $99.99.
What?
Almost 100.
That makes. Okay, so we're back home, and I'm gonna make a little batch of slime to try the foam beads. I really want to try them.
She's so crazy. Every day.
I know.
Guys, look at
Bye bye. The container is found.
this.
Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching. Bye. Say bye. Say bye, Mom.
Bye.